This is for anyone that's having trouble with registering for Mastering A&P. So I'm on the welcome page of our Moodle page, and it's great. We've got almost half. We've got 10 out of 25 of you guys have done the enrollment verification so far, so that's wonderful. But down here, it says how to register for Mastering A&P. If you click on that, it tells you where to go, and it says you can sign in with your Pearson student account or create your account. For instructors creating a student account, do not use your instructor credentials. I don't need to do that. Okay, select any available access option if asked. You can enter a prepaid access code that came with your textbook. You can buy instant access with a credit card, or you can select get temporary access without payment for 14 days. So I can just click on it and tell you, like, I guess by the way, if you have a Pearson account, you may have used something called like My Math Lab or My Writing Lab or My Reading Lab, or just a Pearson account from another course. But anyway, you can always create an account, and the only way I'm going to be able to actually show you that part about the temporary access is to create a student account, and I hate to do that if I don't need to. So hopefully this is enough information. You clicked on registering, and then you click on the URL, and then, like I say, it'll give you these three choices, and the class that you're registering for is Anatomy and Physiology 1. So all right, hopefully this will be enough.